friends!
Hello friends! Today we're gonna play in shop and Anya will be a seller and she's waiting for buyers. Anya, who are you?
I'm Sarah.
Okay, where is our buyers?
Let's see.
Okay. Oh look, it's Minnie Mouse.
Minnie.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you have a cucumber?
Yes.
Oh, good. And I need a pepper.
Peppa.
Yeah. Do you have pepper?
Yes.
Okay. And I want something to drink. I want cola. Do you have cola?
Yes.
Okay. That will do. Okay. I want to buy all these food. How much? 5. Okay, I have a card.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's cucumber. It's green. It's really big. I want to make a salad. It will be for my salad. My mommy likes cucumbers. Okay, and I'm so thirsty. I want to drink, and most of all, I like cola. Oi, I want to drink it. Tasty, tasty. I like cola very much. Oh, and it's a pepper, like Peppa Pig. It's green, it's green. I will make a salad with pepper and cucumbers. My mommy likes it. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Sarah.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look, Anya. Who is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Hello.
Hello.
I want banana. Do you have banana?
Yes.
Hurrah! Hurrah! Banana. Banana. It's yellow. Thank you very much. How much? How much, Stella? How much money? Okay, for take it. Oh, for banana. I like bananas. Mwah. I want to eat banana. It's yellow. Okay, thank you, Stella.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look. Somebody's coming.
Duck.
Donald Duck. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I want something to eat, something tasty. Do you have orange? Orange? Do you have orange? Oh, such a big orange. Okay, how much? 3. Okay. Oh, where is my money? Oh, where is my money? Oh, here it is. Take it. Orange. I want to try orange. It's so good. It's so orange. It's really sweet. Stella, orange is very good. I like it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will come. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, we are in our store with Anya and we are waiting for the next buyer. Who will be the next? Oh, look.
Это dog.
It's a white dog. He has such nice brown ears. And what color is he? And he has a brown tail. Such a nice dog. He's small. Yeah.
Little.
Little. Interesting. What does he want to buy? Let's see. Hello.
Hello.
I want something tasty. Oh, I see. You have a chicken. Do you have a chicken?
Yes.
Oh, I want a chicken and something else. I want a ketchup for chicken. Yeah, ketchup. Oh, and give me please a tomato. I want tomato. What color is tomato, Sarah? What
Red.
color? Oh, yeah, it's red. Okay, and give me please milk. It's for my friend cat. My friend likes milk. Yeah, milk.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That will do. Okay. Oh, it's the milk. Who gives milk, guys? Yeah, cows give milk. And milk is very useful for our teeth. And for our bones. Oh, it's milk. Milk. My friend cat, as I told you, likes milk. It's for my friend. So, okay. Oh, and tomato. Oh, I like tomatoes. They're so fresh. They're really fresh. It's a good store. Tomato, milk. Oh, and chicken. Oh, it's my dream. Chicken. I really like chickens. And this one is really big and fat. I like it. And I shall buy ketchup and I pour my chicken with ketchup. Oh, Sarah, I have so much products. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I will come again. Oi, boy. Oi, where's my chicken? Okay, bye. Thank you, Sarah. Oi. Oh, Sarah, we have such a funny buyers here. Okay, who will be the next? Let's see. Oh, who will be the next? Oh, look, it's a pink
Teddy bear.
Yeah, it's a teddy bear. But he's so sad. Teddy bear, what's your name?
What's
your name? I am Willy. Willy, he's Willy. Why do you cry, Willy? Why do you cry? Why, Willy? Why, Willy? Why, Willy? Why? Why do you cry? Oh, I want cookies. Cookies. Do you have cookies? Yeah, cookies. Or biscuits. Maybe you have biscuits. Do you have? Do you have, Sailor?
Yes.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. And chocolate milk. Do you have a chocolate milk?
Yes.
Oh, good. Oh, I like biscuits with chocolate milk. It's my favorite food. I love it very much. Oh, good. How much? How much money? How much money for chocolate milk? Okay, you will check it. Check it. Oh, it's a chocolate milk. Quickly, buy. I want to drink it. Oh, how to open, and drink. It's really tasty, guys. It's so tasty. You can't imagine how it's tasty. I really like chocolate milk and biscuits. Would you like?
No.
No? Oh, okay, then I will. Yeah, it's mine. Okay, take money. Oh, okay. Oh, Stella, your story is really good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, kids. Thank you that you were with us. So, please, put
Like.
and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.